What is a knowledge management system? In this video, we're going to dive into that more. And hey there, my name is Josh. I'm the founder of Technical Writer HQ. And in this video, I'll go over the definition of a knowledge management system, some examples, benefits, essential features, and also share some of the best knowledge management systems available on the market so you can set up a great system within your company. Now, before we dive into all that, take a moment to subscribe to our channel. And that way, you won't miss any of our future videos. Now, let's go ahead and get started. So a knowledge management system is a set of policies, procedures, and tools that organizations use to implement effective knowledge management. Organizations implement knowledge management through dedicated IT-based software systems that are optimized for the capture, organization, storage, and sharing of knowledge. And there are three types of organizational knowledge. We have tacit knowledge, which is the knowledge that you acquire through experience. You may not be consciously aware of it, but you use it intuitively when you need to. And we have implicit knowledge, which is the knowledge that you're aware of, but which is not documented. And then explicit knowledge, which is the knowledge that you are aware of and which is documented. And organizational knowledge is a vital and valuable asset. The purpose of a knowledge management system is to ultimately safeguard this collective knowledge and create a culture of knowledge sharing that benefits employees and ultimately has a positive impact on business growth and profitability. And here are some examples of knowledge management systems. We have a lessons learned database. A lessons learned database contains information from lessons learned during past projects and from business practices. Now, this database may include information gathered from people who have tackled problems in the past, such as how to build this type of feature for X market. And it may include defined problems or situations, actions taken, outcomes, and results. And lessons learned helps people prevent from repeating mistakes that other people made in similar situations in the past. And you'd hope for that to be the case, and often takes people to read that documentation to make sure that they don't repeat those mistakes. And you want to optimize decision-making when current scenarios mirror scenarios faced by others in the past as well. And you want to view problems from a fresh perspective. Now we have communities of practice. Communities of practice are groups of individuals who discuss problems, opportunities, lessons learned, and other information gained from users. A good knowledge management system provides these groups with a way of sharing information. And then we have a knowledge base. A knowledge base is a library of information about products and services. It typically includes answers to frequently asked questions, how-to guides, and troubleshooting instructions. Its purpose is to make it easy for people within and from outside the organization to find solutions to their problems without asking for help. And knowledge bases use a combination of text, image, and video-based content. And we have internal knowledge base. An internal knowledge base is typically utilized to allow employees to collaborate and share all company knowledge and information internally. And when creating an internal knowledge base, you can include anything meant for internal use. It is internal because it is intended to be used only by the employees of an organization. And this system is usually accessible via an organization's intranet or employee-only website that requires a secure login. Now, some companies use a curated, searchable collection of company policies and procedures stored in a content management system, or CMS, that employees can access as well. And then we have external knowledge base. An external knowledge base, also known as a customer-facing knowledge base, is where customers and users can learn anything they would ever need to know about a company's products and services. It's usually accessible to everyone and can be easily found online. And then we have feedback database. Feedback from actual users provides valuable insight that can help you improve your products and services. You can have a database that collects feedback from customers and employees, and that will help you improve your product and ultimately make sure that you are implementing the right roadmap for your company. Now, the gathered feedback is accessible ideally to the design department and other interested departments. And we have a research database. You can use a research database to track the results of customer data collected via quantitative or qualitative research and to track data about products and services offered by competitors. A research database can help your design and marketing teams develop products that provide a great customer experience and beat competitors in terms of price, features, and benefits. And knowledge management systems offer numerous benefits for all types of organizations. And we have retention of organizational knowledge, which is a big one. The primary benefit of knowledge management systems is that they help to maintain organizational knowledge. And as a result, know-how, relevant knowledge, and expertise are maintained inside the organization. All the other benefits are derived from this primary benefit. And then we have knowledge sharing. A knowledge management system encourages team members to share knowledge with colleagues and helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page. And this creates a culture of knowledge sharing and leads to improved communication and ultimately better relationships between employees, the elimination of silos between employees and departments, and the avoidance of redundant effort. And we have rapid access of information, which is another huge benefit. So knowledge management systems provide this rapid access to knowledge, data, and information, often at your fingertips. And employees don't have to wait long periods of time to find this necessary information, and neither do they have to wait to find and meet colleagues who may have the necessary information as well. Then we have improved employee productivity. Without a knowledge management system, employees are forced to learn and relearn information and processes. This is a costly and inefficient practice. With a knowledge management system in place, your employees are saved from duplication of effort and can invest their time and effort in producing new knowledge and better products and services. A robust knowledge management system reduces information search time significantly and leads to an improvement in organization-wide employee productivity. In addition, access to relevant, accurate, and verified information also helps employees improve productivity. And then we have improved decision-making. Knowledge management systems lead to faster and improved decision-making through timely access to relevant information and experience. And another big one, which often isn't talked about enough, is cost reduction. Knowledge management systems help to reduce costs through a prevention of redundant effort. A powerful search feature can prevent time spent recreating existing knowledge. And we all know how painful that is when we create a document, we realize that document already existed. And then we have reduced employee churn. Keeping employees engaged and protecting them from burnout is a huge benefit. Reduced dependence on external training programs is another one. Expert communities and knowledge bases cut down learning and development costs and reliance on third-party training programs. And we've reduced research time. According to McKinsey & Company, on average, employees spend 20% of their time searching for information. Robust knowledge management systems reduces time dramatically. And then we have decrease in employee onboarding time. And this happens through quick access to company knowledge and self-service. And we have reduced customer churn, which is satisfied customers are less likely to switch to competing products and services. And of course, innovation. Strong competition requires that businesses innovate continuously to develop better products and services. And knowledge management systems drive innovation through knowledge retention and sharing, knowledge creation, collaboration on new ideas, and access to expert knowledge. Then we have increased customer satisfaction. Knowledge sharing, improved innovation, and fast access to information all help to increase customer satisfaction through improved customer support, innovative and game-changing products, and faster time to market. The following is a list of features that are essential for knowledge management systems. So if you're looking to get one or implement one in place, make sure to go over these features. We have robust search. And one of the primary reasons for using a knowledge management system is to improve access to information, provide instant answers, and reduce the time spent searching for information. And robust search benefits all departments and employees and dramatically improves employee productivity. Next, we have collaboration. Collaboration improves communication and leads to higher levels of motivation and engagement. And we have reporting and analytics. With reporting and analytics, you can see how the knowledge management system is performing. And this will help you to make needed improvements to the system. Next is customization. A knowledge management system that can be customized to your requirements is more likely to benefit your organization. And then we have scalability. A solution that doesn't scale will likely be discarded at some point in time. And discarding all that knowledge to then recreate it is such a painful process. So going with great intent to find something that's truly scalable. So make sure to find one that's really going to work for your business in all aspects. And we have integration. A standalone knowledge management system offers many benefits, but a system that supports integration with third-party systems allows users to do so much more. And next is multilingual support. If you have a global workforce, which many companies do, then your knowledge management system needs to support multiple languages and provide every visitor with a tailored experience in their native language. And then we have feedback. Without feedback collection, your knowledge management system is incomplete. And with feedback, you get real-time input from system users. With feedback, you can make incremental improvements to the system and so much more. And these improvements will really enhance the system's benefits, such as knowledge sharing, innovation, and reduction in costs. And the ability to measure the effectiveness of a knowledge management system is critical for every business. And it's because measurement gives you insight into whether this system is being used, how the system is performing, and what is working and what needs to improve. Now, a metric is a quantitative measure of the degree to which a system, entity, or process possesses a given attribute. And selecting and tracking the right metrics to focus on is essential to measuring the knowledge management system effectiveness. And the metrics you select will depend on your business objectives. So you should ask, what are you trying to achieve with the knowledge management system? And the following is a list of important metrics to help get you started so you can really measure that effectiveness of the system that you choose to put in place. Now, this list is not comprehensive, but is rather a starting point and is intended as simply a guide. So we have user feedback, which is number one. One of the simplest and most effective methods of determining whether a system is used by employees is through a feedback mechanism. Feedback indicates that employees are using the knowledge management system and that they trust it sufficiently to take the time to submit feedback. And then we have search engine usage. Another metric that determines the usage of the knowledge management system is search engine usage. And you can analyze search engine logs to generate reports that show usage, the number of searches performed, and details of search terms. And we have contributions. The number of contributions is a strong measure of employee engagement with the knowledge management system. Identifying what's called super contributors can help you understand how to use them, so these people in your company, as models for increasing employee engagement. And low contributions will push you towards understanding the reasons behind low employee engagement, which will enable you to take the actions that are necessary for improving engagement. And then we have interactions. A high number of interactions on knowledge-based articles and posts indicate a high level of interest. And if interactions are low, well, you can gather feedback from employees to determine why that's the case. And you can then encourage employees to interact with the content that they find interesting and useful. Now, here are some examples of knowledge management systems that you may want to put in place. Now, there are many different types out there, so make sure to find the one that's most relevant for the challenges that you're looking to solve. First, we have document management systems. A document management system is a software that you can use to capture, store, share, and retrieve electronic versions of documents and digital images. Some examples are Microsoft SharePoint Online and M-Files. Then we have knowledge-based software. Knowledge-based software is a software tool that helps you create, organize, and manage self-service content for internal and external customers. Some examples here are Document 360, HubSpot, Service Hub, and many more. And then we have learning management systems. A learning management system, or LMS, is a software or web-based technology used to plan, implement, and assess a specific learning process. LMS software is used for online courses, training programs, and certification classes. Some examples are Trainual, Docebo, and Learning Suite. And we also have decision support systems. A decision support system, or DSS, is a software that enables companies to improve their decision-making capabilities. Some examples here are Salesforce Analytics Cloud and Riskturn. Now, one common question that we often get is, what is the difference between knowledge management and knowledge management systems? Well, knowledge management is a business process related to capture, storage, and sharing and management of an organization's collective knowledge. It also is a discipline and deals with the implementation of knowledge management systems and strategies in organizations. Now, on the other hand, knowledge management systems implement the knowledge management process in organizations. And hopefully throughout this video, you now have a much better idea of what knowledge management systems do. So examples, benefits, key features, and also some of the best software that you can implement at your company. And thank you for watching this video. And you feel like you have a better understanding of the topic, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video so you can keep up to date with everything about knowledge management, technical writing, and so much more. And I'll go ahead and see you in some of our following videos. Cheers.